When you don't take the medicine, does it feel like your energy really surges? How much did you originally take?
Waterman.
That's normal, right?
Direct.
Originally, I got 6.34, but at that time, my knees felt much better, and my mood was good. My head also felt clearer, like my mind was improving. I'm not sure, but people say, why do you look so young? Or why do you look so cool? So I wonder if I'm bewitched by a ghost or something. But when I just look in the mirror, I don't really know, but that feeling, it doesn't look artificially altered, but naturally youthful.
Should I look at it this way?
I got that feeling. The knee pain has almost disappeared. I think that's the best part. And I used to not sleep well, but now I sleep deeply. It feels like going back to the past. And I think I've lost some weight. My stamina has definitely improved. And now, am I feeling that playing soccer makes my mind sharper? My quickness has improved. And I think my sense, my mental sense, has gotten better. People say I change every time. And a few days ago, I had a new look. And people said, oh, it's amazing. Before, they used to say, aren't you eating, son? What should I say? Should I say I feel incredibly energized? It feels like I'm bursting with energy. Then is that normal? Usually I get 6.34 like this. But I'm happy because my knees have gotten much better. My mind feels clearer. And it seems like my thinking has improved. Anyway, overall, others often say that I look much younger, seem younger, and look youthful these days. So, I'm feeling quite good. Have I really become about 10 years younger? Have I perhaps become like President?
Actually, we've been working with stem cells for 21 years. It has been less than a week since we treated. So, we can't know what will happen in 20 years.
So right now, it seems like my stamina is improving day by day. Usually, things are only boring at certain times. But this is strangely continuing like this. It feels like my mood keeps getting better. And my stamina is improving. Before, why did I play soccer? Why is your judgment so cloudy? It frustrated
Yes,
me.
thank you.
And made me flustered. But recently,
Thank you.
I've been getting amazing compliments like, oh wow,
Thank you.
why are you so good at making judgments now?
Yes.
Even going past 2 or 3 people, it feels great.
Yes.
I said something like this, I will attach it again. I had a bit to drink.
Yes.
If it's warm, even 1 or 2 glasses make me feel tired, and I fall asleep. I haven't eaten much, but it hasn't become easier than usual. Yes,
Feeling
understood.
good about finding your health, right? Go for it.
Yes, we will solve it.